Welcome, today in front of me Oppo Reno 7, and I'll show you how to switch off the phone. In order to turn off the phone, you need to press the power key button here on the right side of your phone for a few seconds. And if you will see the same address description like in my case, to turn on, press and hold power button to wake Google Assistant. You can turn it on or you can turn it off. For example, we'll just try to turn it on, and now just by press the power key we will activate the Google Assistant. If you got activated this, so we should go into the settings, scroll down to the system settings. After that, just click here to gestures and motion. Oh no, not just to this gestures and motion, but to the power menu. No, to wake Google Assistant with power off button, just turn off the switcher, and now when we'll just press the power button, we'll activate the power off menu. After that, just click here to power off, and again tap to power off icon. Wait a second, and now as can you see, the screen is dark. This means that your device is turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.